Howdy, y'all. OJ Bird here. Tweet, tweet.
Wolfman here.
Well, today we're feeling a little peckish. He might wolf down. I think he's going to take the gravy train to get some sausages and bring his pepperoni with him to the, what is it, carry cutouts? Carry cuts? Canine carry cuts. So yeah, we're gonna taste all these dog biscuits. We want to know what the best dog biscuits are out there for me to give to my nephew, his little puppy dog, our buddy Leo, who hasn't been on the channel because he ain't allowed over in my place no more. Landlord done said.
Well, I got this one open.
I'm going to go ahead and open this one so we'll have this one ready.
Come on. We got somebody behind the camera. He wanted to hang out, so he gets to try everything.
What is this one?
This one here is just the beef flavor.
Beef flavored canine carry cut or whatever.
And yes, we are actually eating these, so here we go.
It looks like a really good steak.
It tastes like rubber.
Meat flavored Play-Doh.
Not quite Play-Doh.
Yes, Play-Doh.
More gummy feeling than that.
Play-Doh.
The initial taste isn't that bad, but as you chew it, it gets pretty gross.
Yeah.
You eat the whole thing?
No.
Okay, how about that? I ain't eat the whole thing.
Gross.
Kitty, kitty. Oti, oti. Come here.
That Play-Doh.
Woo! What the heck did we get ourselves into on this one?
Oh, man.
When it gets stuck in your teeth, that's the worst.
I know. Yeah.
Ew.
There you go. This one is bacon flavored gravy train. Well, if the package will actually come open. My cat thinks it's a dog. Let's just break one of these in half. Because we ain't gonna.
You got Brett Shelby off piece.
Who? What name?
Not bad.
That one wasn't too bad.
The wavy bacon gravy train. I definitely say Leo can have those. But I don't think it's bad. Just overly smoky. It's what it tastes like. It's just smoke. I'm starting to. It don't taste like bacon. It tastes like smoky beef. Like smoked beef. Oh, smoke.
I'm not a dog, but you know what? I ain't liking some of these. This one here is a chicken flavored one. Come on.
Don't be scared.
Down the hatch it goes.
I mean, it looks like a little chicken strip.
They don't taste good. They don't taste good.
That's supposed to taste like chicken?
I got smoky taste in mine.
Yeah, I take the taste of smokiness. I don't really taste no chicken.
Gross.
Ah,
Thanks for calling me a dog.
a wolf is in the canine family.
Ugh.
I'm almost out of my blanket fluid. Might have to have him go grab me something to drink.
Yeah, because you're going to need it. We still got one.
Give me a
two,
Dr.
three,
Dr.
four,
K out of the back.
7. We still got 7 more things to go through over here.
I know.
Might as well go ahead and get these canine ones out of the way.
So which one's this one?
Beef and cheese.
Beef and cheese.
Trying to get the bag open.
No. You shake up my soft drink before you hand it to me.
Oh.
And I'll be I'll give him the old snipperoo.
Okay, never mind. Whew.
He never have children.
I think this one here is going to taste like that first one we had.
The first one, yeah, I know. It looks like that first one. Smokey really liked it. He's still eating on it.
Oh, sorry, Smokey.
I crumble a little bit more.
This one's the same thing that we just ate.
Got cheese in it.
There you go, BB. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, that one's so nasty.
What the heck?
That was worse than the first one. I thought the cheese would help.
Ooh.
He's got a bunch piled up over here. He'll eat when he gets hungry. Oh.
God, that one made my stomach twirl.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to step out of camera just for a second. I'm going to put this handful of crumbly treats, in Smokey's cat food bowl.
No.
All right.
My stomach's turning.
Now I see why my dog always comes after my food.
They're like, man, you just don't know. They have more taste receptors than we do, so it could taste different to them. I mean, because they can actually taste the breakdown of like all the components. But I know I don't like it.
Let me get this big one here and divide it.
The bacon ones, I've found that they're all right most of the time.
There you go.
But little
This one
bacon.
here. Now this one here is the bacon one. I'm sorry, I should be showing you the bags as we're doing them. This was the one that we said was gross and made everybody's stomach twirl. This was the chicken one that we did.
Ugh. And the gravy train bacon wasn't too bad. It was really smoky.
And this was the first one we did.
So we're going to see if this one actually tastes more like bacon. Less smoke flavor.
The cat won't even eat it.
It does have a little bit of bacon.
No, it doesn't.
It's not bad.
Play-Doh.
Take that one on the floor, crumble it up, put it there.
Tastes like bacon flavored Play-Doh. With a little bit less salt.
Oh, that was gritty. I got a piece of like grit. Oh.
And yes, it's been a while since I've ate Play-Doh.
I don't know why you're doing all these in one video, man. With this many, we should have saved it.
No.
No, because I want to get it done and over with. For those of y'all that are just joining us over here, we are eating dog treats for our YouTube video.
Let's do the sausage next, because I think it's going to be one of the grossest.
No.
The ones that are like beef jerky sticks, I don't think they're going to be that bad.
I didn't think
Sausage.
I didn't think the beef and cheese one was going to be bad.
Yeah.
Alright.
Looks like it's supposed to be like a little pig in a blanket. All y'all that have pets have probably given them these. You've never thought about eating it yourself.
For those of y'all that...
Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
I got to. That actually has a really sweet taste.
That was the best one so far. Yeah.
Oh, I had to get past the initial. That last one was so gross. That I almost, well, not the last one, the one before last. Man, look how pretty that sky is out there.
Ooh.
Where I live, there's what's called the Knobs. And it's a real good hill. And where I'm sitting, that sun, when it starts to drop behind it, and that sky lights up, that orange and purple's coming up, I got a perfect view outside my window. I can't keep a straight face no more. So
which one we want next? You want gravy train or pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
The things we do for you guys. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, y'all better like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'm telling you.
I'm Wolfman, but man, I wouldn't feed this to my wolf. Oh, wait a minute, that's short. This almost looks like beef jerky.
Hey, if you were starving, you know.
If I was
These
starving,
wouldn't
that.
be too bad. Well, we know during the apocalypse, if it were to happen, we could survive off these. Keyword there, survive. Tastes like overly dry beef jerky. Like if you took a Slim Jim and laid it out in the sun, let dry. Not bad. Like I said, it's just overly dry beef jerky.
Had a little twist to it too, though.
Yeah, there's an aftertaste to it.
Yeah, I can.
Oh,
Two
it has
more
a
to go.
livery taste at the end.
Chicken
I mean, it does. It tastes. I like liver, but
Two more to go, and then we got the dog biscuits.
It doesn't
What's
taste
up,
like
Dakota?
Chicken. Chicken
you
biscuit.
say Yoda?
Dakota.
Oh, they just said, okay, Yoda. I'm like, what?
We are eating dog treats for YouTube. And, you might have to take the knife for this one there, bro. And then you get the little...
That my cat Smokey thinks he was raised with a dog. So he thinks he's part dog. He's cat dog. He loves dog treats.
Well, you might have to take the knife for that one or something, because that ain't coming open. What the word? There, this one open.
Darn it.
This one here's beef flavor. Which one's that? Jerky?
Jerky strips. Don't burp. Burping is so gross.
Here's the beef flavor one.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
So y'all see what we're eating? Yeah. Dog treats. Tastes like the last one. A little more of a musky taste.
Gross. The longer you chew it, the more flavor comes out, and it's not good. I mean, I can see where a dog something might like that. I don't know. So gritty.
Woo, boy. Thank God we're almost done.
I still think, yeah, that the sausage is the best one so far. That first bacon one wasn't bad. That would have been second place.
Who's eating the rest of those?
You?
He's going to take some home to his dog, and we'll have a couple bags here for me to slowly give to Smokey over time. They ain't going to waste. We ain't going to buy stuff just to waste it.
I could take some home to my dog. Cause
Oh boy.
cats
Now, this
ain't,
one looks like a candy bar.
cats ain't supposed to
Looks
be-
like it's a candy bar. But trust me, it ain't no candy bar.
Jerky flavored. So yeah.
And jerk, some jerk.
Hand the jerk some jerk.
Yeah.
Smells like the last one.
Smells just like the rest.
Ooh, no, it tastes. Ooh.
Ugh.
Whew, definitely not my cup of tea.
That's your cup of tea right there.
Jaybird don't like you. I need some bird food.
Do we want the same color, or we just want to take one and break it in half?
Just take one, break it in half.
Yeah.
What color?
Red.
I wouldn't say that. The red's the most nasty.
Because red's usually like supposed to be like barbecue or something.
Oh, it's gonna taste like it.
So now we get dog biscuits.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, best one out of them all. Best one out of them all.
No wonders why he said he liked dog biscuits in his sleep.
Tastes like a bland cracker.
Really dry, bland cracker. So yeah, ugh.
That's the best thing we've ate out of all the dog treats.
Oh wait a minute, we forgot somebody.
Nuh-uh.
Man, my stomach is starting to just twirl. I'm like,
It's not that bad, Drew, seriously. It's just like a dry cracker.
very gritty. Like I said, not a whole lot of flavor. So I mean, I guess during the apocalypse, this would be what I'd go after first. Something I know is doesn't have a lot of flavor. If you had some, just any kind of condiment to put on it. I mean, because I'm sure they got good. Yeah, they got good nutrition.
Cheese and dog biscuits.
Like it. He said condiment,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, ketchup. Oh, you want some Da Bomb on one?
Huh?
You want some Da Bomb on one?
Oh heck no! Yeah, if you know, because you want some wasabi on yours.
Ugh.
For $20, I would try it with the bomb.
All right.
Yeah, if y'all didn't see the video of us pizza roll roulette, he ate a pizza roll with some wasabi as the last thing he ate. He did eat a couple other ones before that, but it made him sick.
No. First, I had the wasabi.
Oh, wasabi was the first one.
First one was the wasabi. Second one
Was it the bomb?
was regular.
Yeah.
Third one had the bomb in it. Now I got the hiccups.
Mm-hmm.
But you said wasabi coming back up and coming out your nose was not fun.
No, because I had it, I ate it, I swallowed it. Got the bomb. The bomb burned here and here. And when it started burning here, it made me kind of upchuck a little bit. And when I upchucked, I tried to keep it in. And it come out my nose, and it was the wasabi. And so I had to go to the bathroom. Yes, I was throwing up in the toilet and had wasabi coming out my nose at the same time. So yeah, that was nasty and gross. Something I don't
Still,
want
I
to do
think
again.
the worst thing that ever happened to me when it comes to throwing up something we've done on the channel, that Carolina Reaper jerky. Carolina Reaper, I mean, it's like mashed on there. It had chunks of the pepper and everything in it.
I still got some of
And
that
it come out my nose when I was throwing up. And I mean, it burned so bad. I mean, I felt it, my eyeballs felt like they were burned.
So did mine with the wasabi.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God, it cleared out my sinuses.
But that was the most painful of anything. Before that, it was jalapenos. Had a jalapeno chunk come out my nose one time, and it burned.
And then he had hot sauce on his wee-wee.
No,
more than once.
the pepper got you sick that one time. The bag of pepper when you ate it over there.
Yeah, but it didn't come out my nose. I puked.
No, it came out your nose because remember you sneezed and it came out.
Oh, yeah.
And you said it burned worse than coming up.
That jerky, though, I puked like 5 times on that jerky. I kept drinking water just to put something in my stomach because I was throwing up. But that water come out, it felt like I was literally puking hot sauce. It was bad. It was bad.
That's what I did last night with the jalapeno burger too. When I went home, I puked while I was walking.
But these, I would jack a bunch of these because you put barbecue sauce, cheese, anything on this is going to help you survive while people are over at the grocery stores killing each other, fighting over the last of the food.
But this stuff here, it's nah.
Keep that for your dogs and your cats.
Yeah, get this for your dogs and cats and get the rest of it for you.
Not for human consumption.
No. Mm-mm.
And if you do consume it,
I feel sorry for you. But love yourselves.
love each other.
Loving God.
Try something new and, oh my God, do something crazy.
We are crazy. Take time to look out your window.
That's $30 sitting right there.
No.
And get old Jaybird a spider.
No.
Because he wants them.
If
No.
you buy a spider, they'll eat it.
Like we say on our channel, if you got
Nothing live. We ain't trying to be cruel to animals.
Yeah.
We do actually like PETA to an extent. Because PETA don't understand it. I still like to eat my deer meat and stuff. I like animals that were here for food. I don't want to kill it myself. And I definitely ain't eating no live spider that's poisonous. Come on now. But we love y'all. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.